Good morning, students. In continuation with the previous lectures, today I will be teaching you about signs and symptoms of pregnancy. Introduction. Signs and symptoms that are usually noted by the patient which impel her to make an appointment with a physician for confirmation of pregnancy. प्रेगनेंसी में कुछ उनको साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स होते हैं. साइंस क्या होते हैं? जो हम देख सकते हैं, जो दिखाई देते हैं, और सिम्टम्स जो वो महसूस करते हैं. तो साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स जो पेशेंट महसूस कर रहा है या उतने में चेंज महसूस दिखाई दे रहा है उसको, उसके लिए वो जो डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करते हैं. डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, ये मैं पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ. इट इज़ द स्टेट ऑफ कैरिंग अ डेवलपिंग एम्ब्रियो और फीटस विद इन द फीमेल बॉडी फ्रॉम कंसेप्शन टू बर्थ after the egg is fertilized by sperm and then implanted in the lining of the uterus. It develops into placenta and embryo or fetus. This is pregnancy. Pregnancy, ये यूट्रस में बच्चा डेवलप होता है, उसको प्रेगनेंसी कहते हैं. ड्यूरेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी यूजुअली 40 वीक्स और 280 डेज और 10 ल्यूनर मंथ्स फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ LMP और 9 कैलेंडर मंथ्स. जो जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल होते हैं, इनको कैलेंडर मंथ्स कहते हैं. तो 9 कैलेंडर मंथ्स इन 7 डेज कैलकुलेटेड फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द menstrual period. Beginning from the first day of last menstrual period, it is divided into 3 trimesters, each lasting 3 months. First trimester 12 weeks, second trimester from 13th week to 28 weeks, and third trimester 29 to 40 weeks. First trimester checklist. First trimester presumptive signs or subjective symptoms. These are the symptoms which the patient feels: amenorrhea, morning sickness, then frequency of micturition, breast discomfort, fatigue, and fainting. Amenorrhea, absence of menstruation, is known as amenorrhea. Patient ceases to have normal periods. So absence of menstruation in women of reproductive age. Since 9 months during pregnancy, periods are not occurred. If any type of bleeding is occurred during 9 months, should not be confused with the commonly met pathological bleeding. Threatened abortion. It occurs in cases of threatened abortion. Morning sickness. मॉर्निंग सिकनेस, जो मॉर्निंग में नोजिया और वॉमिटिंग होती है, जी खराब होना, मतली आना, नॉर्मली पेशेंट्स जो बताते हैं, दैट इज़ नोन एज मॉर्निंग सिकनेस. इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन अबाउट 50% केसेज, mostly during first pregnancy. Nausea and vomiting begins about 6 weeks after the last menstrual period and usually disappears by about 14 weeks. Second trimester में usually disappear हो जाती है. It is due to the high level of pregnancy hormones. Frequency of micturition. Frequency of micturition means बार बार यूरिन आना. ये क्यों होता है? Because of the resting of bulky uterus on the fundus of the bladder, urinary bladder, because of anteverted position of uterus. It is present during 8 to 12 weeks of pregnancy and subsides after 12 weeks. This is uterus, and this is urinary bladder. So then uterus becomes heavy because of the fetus and it falls upon the bladder. So bladder gets irritated and frequency of micturition occurs. Increased frequency of micturition is there. Breast discomfort. It is present during 6 weeks in the form of feeling of tenderness. Tenderness means pain, tingling sensation, fullness, भरा भरा सा महसूस होना, increase in size, pigmentation of areola and prickling sensation. Then fatigue, थकान होती है, बहुत पेशेंट को लगता है थके थके हैं और बीमार से महसूस होता है. इट इज़ फ्रीक्वेंट इन अर्ली प्रेगनेंसी एंड सबसाइड्स अराउंड 12 to 14 वीक्स ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी विद ब्रिंगिंग रिन्यू एनर्जी. 14 वीक के बाद ये ठीक हो जाता है. फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर प्रोबेबल साइंस और ऑब्जेक्टिव साइंस. दीज साइंस विच द डॉक्टर कैन सी एंड द पेशेंट कैन ऑल्सो फील. ब्रेस्ट चेंजेस, कार्डियोवैस्कुलर चेंजेस, respiratory changes, integumentary changes means changes in skin, musculoskeletal changes, abdomen and uterine changes, pelvic changes. And what are these changes? Breast में क्या होता है? This I have told you before also. These are valuable only in primipary compared to multipary. Breast changes are evident between 6 to 8 weeks. There is enlargement with vascular engorgement with delicate veins visible under the skin due to increased blood supply, making the veins more noticeable. Nipples and areola become more pigmented or darker. Montgomery's tubercles are prominent. A thick yellowish secretion colostrum can be expressed as early as 12th weeks. Now you can see here, this is nipple, this is primary areola, this is pigmentation, dark pigmentation, secondary areola, and these you can see Montgomery tubercles. Then pelvic changes. Jacquemure's or Chadwick sign. It is dusky hue of vestibule and anterior vaginal wall visible at about 8th week of pregnancy. The discoloration is due to local vascular congestion. Then the vaginal sign. Apart from bluish discoloration of the anterior vaginal walls become softened. Copious amount of non-irritating mucoid discharge appears at 6th week. There is increased pulsation felt through the lateral fornices at 8th week called Osiander's sign. If you do a PV examination, then on palpating on the lateral vaginal walls, you can feel the pulsations. Then cervical signs, cervix becomes soft as early as 6th week, and this is known as Goodell's sign. The pregnant cervix feel like lip of mouth. Lips are soft, and while non-pregnant state, it feels like tip of nose, which is firm. Then uterine changes, size, shape and consistency. Uterus enlarged to size of hen's egg at 6th week, size of cricket ball at 8th week, size of fetal head at 12th week. Pyriform shape of non-pregnant uterus. Pyriform means pear-shaped form of non-pregnant uterus becomes globular by 12th week. There may be asymmetrical enlargement of asymmetrical enlargement of uterus if there is lateral implantation. One half is more firm than other half. As pregnancy advances, symmetry is restored. Uterus feels soft and elastic. Hager's sign. It is present in 2/3 of cases. It can be demonstrated between 6 to 10 weeks. It is softening and compressibility of the lower segment of the uterus felt on bimanual examination. When bimanual examination is done, then 2 fingers are placed in anterior fornix and abdominal fingers are placed behind uterus. Then both the fingers can be touched. This is called Hager's sign. Palmer's sign, regular rhythmic uterine contraction on bimanual examination at 4 to 8 weeks is called Palmer's sign. Then positive signs common to all 3 trimesters. These are immunological test and ultrasonography. By these immunological tests and ultrasonography, we can conclusively diagnose that patient is pregnant. Immunological test, urine pregnancy test, which is very common, agglutination test, dipistic test, enzyme linked monoclonal antibody test. Then serum pregnancy tests are fluoroimmunoassay, radioimmunoassay, immunoradiometric assay and ELISA tests. Second trimester of pregnancy. It starts from 13th week to 28th week. Second trimester subjective symptoms are amenorrhea. Amenorrhea continues till 9 months. Enlargement of lower abdomen. Morning sickness decreases. Urinary symptoms decreases and there is quickening. Second trimester objective symptoms are which we can see as a doctor or a health worker. These are skin changes, chloasma, vaginal changes, abdominal signs. Then abdominal skin mein what do we see? Linea nigra, chloasma gravidarum, stria gravidarum. Palpation. Palpation means examining the abdomen by hand. Palpation se we can see the fundal height. Fundal height is different for all the weeks. I'll tell you later on how it is to be examined. Shape and consistency of uterus. Braxton Hicks contraction. I have told you yesterday what are Braxton Hicks contraction. Palpation of fetal parts, active fetal movements. Then auscultation. Auscultation means hearing by stethoscope. We can hear fetal heart sound, uterine shuffle, fetal shuffle. This is linea nigra. This is the black pigmented line, dark pigmented line which extends from the sternum to the pubic symphysis. This is linea nigra. Then these are stria gravidarum. Lower part of abdomen below the umbilicus. Initially they are light. then they become dark. This is chloasma gravidarum. Chloasma, these are the dark pigmented areas, butterfly like mask. These pigmentation occurs on the face of pregnant women and they disappear by after the delivery. Then fetal heart sound. Fetal heart sound is the most conclusive clinical sign of pregnancy. It can be detected between 18 to 20 weeks by stethoscope. The fetal heart rate varies from 110 to 160 beats per minute. Two other sounds are confused with fetal heart sound. These are, this is the fetal heart sound, then we can hear two more sounds which we can confuse with fetal heart sound. Uterine shuffle. It is soft blowing and systolic murmur heard low down at the side of a uterus, best on the left side. This sound is synchronized with maternal pulse and is due to increase in blood flow through dilated uterine vessels. So we can remove our confusion by counting the pulse. Uterine shuffle corresponds with the maternal pulse while fetal heart sound is faster. Fetal shuffle or phonic, it is due to rush of blood through umbilical arteries. It is soft blowing murmur synchronized with FHS. This is equal to FHS but it is soft blowing murmur while fetal heart sound is heard very distinctly. Third trimester checklist. Subjective symptoms: amenorrhea, progressive enlargement of abdomen, palpitation and dyspnea following exertion due to enlarged abdomen. Because abdomen enlarged is pushes the lungs, so patient feels palpitation. Palpitation जो हिंदी में कहते हैं धड़कन, pulse rate high हो जाती है, patient feels धड़कन. And dyspnea means difficulty in breathing or labored breathing. Lightning at about 38 weeks, some of relief of pressure symptoms obtained due to engagement of presenting part. The presenting part is usually head, sometimes it can be breech also. When it enters after the 38 weeks, this presenting part enters the pelvis. So the fetus is pushed down into the pelvis, so patient feels light because now the compression on the lungs is relieved. Frequency of micturition reappears. Now with your frequency of urination which disappeared in the second trimester now reappears in the last trimester. Fetal movements are more pronounced. Patient can feel fetal movement of the fetus. Then objective symptoms: palpation of fetal parts. We can, on examination, we can feel where the head is, where are the limbs or the breech. Palpation of fetal movements, auscultation of fetal heart sound, occasional auscultation of phonic shuffle. Cutaneous changes are more prominent with increased pigmentation and size. Uterine shape is changed from cylindrical to spherical by 36th week. Fundal height, the distance between umbilicus and ensiform cartilage is divided into 3 equal parts. At 32 weeks, junction of upper and middle third of this. We can see here 32 weeks pe the uterus comes here. At 36 week up to the level of the ensiform cartilage here. At 48th week then it again comes down due to engagement of presenting part. Thank you.